Hello everyone and welcome to my cruise channel. Today we're going to talk about back-to-back cruises. Now in my last video I spoke about repositioning cruises. However, there is another alternative for those that wish to go on longer cruises called back-to-back cruises. Now usually back-to-back cruises mean that you can stay on the ship for the next few sailings. Some people stay for just one more cruise while others stay on for 2 or 3. Many times they do repeat the same itinerary, however, this is completely dependent on the itineraries that the cruise lines offer. Now, there are 2 types of back-to-back cruises, one-way and open jaw. One-way back-to-back cruises are the back-to-back cruises that start and end in the same ports. Open jaw cruises are back-to-back cruises that don't visit the same ports. Now, if you're going on a back-to-back cruise, you may need to disembark the ship at the end of the first cruise and re-embark on the second cruise. Anytime you disembark the ship from a previous cruise, it's called the 0 count. Reaching the 0 count means it's easier for the crew to clean and prepare the ship for the next cruise. However, this process doesn't mean that it has to be as stressful for the passenger. Many times, there's a waiting area in the terminal for those that go on back-to-back cruises to wait while the crew does their magic and cleans the ship. Now, you may have to go through customs one more time, however, the cruise line will send out very specific instructions for you to follow if you're on a back-to-back sailing. Something else you might want to consider too is if your cabin is available for both sailings and if you want to stay in the same cabin for both sailings. You'll have to verify this before you book, and if you don't mind changing cabins, more than likely you can book another cabin for the second trip. However, that may also mean that you'll have to pack your things just like the passengers who are disembarking from the first cruise, and you'll be given specific instructions on how to make sure that all of your luggage makes it to the next cabin. Now, more than likely, they'll reissue you your key card or your SeaPass card, or in Princess case, they may reprogram your medallion. Now, I've never been on a back-to-back cruise, so I'm relying on my seasoned cruisers who watch my channel to answer this question. Would you consider or recommend booking a back-to-back cruise? I would love to hear your thoughts below. And as always, bon voyage!